Just like a car, unlike a car that it doesn't have mechanical wear and tear or maybe an AC unit, but a roof still has wear and tear. Forces of nature, elements, UV, rain, wind, all the things, even other people sometimes get on the roof to service their things and they cause damage. So we really believe that you should go at least once a year. We can have quarterly plans as well for some of our multifamily and commercial projects where we'll come out more often, sometimes even monthly if they have a lot of tree coverage. We'll do a full evaluation of the roof. First and foremost, give you a report. We take pictures, we document everything. We kind of have a checklist, if you will. We make sure everything's good. If there's something that needs to be addressed, we bring it to your attention. If nothing else, you can know that the roof's being looked at, it's being maintained. And at the end of the day, we're trying to prevent a small problem becoming a big problem. And eventually you have a repair that's thousands of dollars when they could have been a simple fix. We do a report, we do a basic cleaning. This doesn't include like a soft wash cleaning, but we clean all the debris off, we blow everything off, we might hose something down. So by doing maintenance, by getting an evaluation, by staying on top of all that stuff and doing it routinely, you can take a roof that maybe is end of life in 20 years and potentially make it go 40 years if you're staying on top of it and you're maintaining it properly. So you can call us if you're interested in a maintenance program. A lot of our customers are doing this just from that peace of mind standpoint that everything's covered, that Arry's has you. You can call for an inspection and we can do a free evaluation, see if you need anything. And if you know you're ready to go, we say act now because we're running out of time.